Good morning, I'm Adam with AMS Computers. We provide computer repair solutions for both PCs and Macs. We offer free in-store computer diagnosis, and we're going to go ahead and take a look inside the store and let you know what we do. We offer computers for sale in our store, complete components and everything, replacement parts. If you need anything, we have it. We also have a brand new iMac that just came out this month, 27-inch. We're going to be doing an unboxing video of that later on today. And we also have some, we have about 22 computers that are getting ready to go out to some teachers that we have to get through. So again, I'm Adam with AMS Computers. We provide free computer diagnostic services. So if you need to find out whether or not your computer's sick and can be worth fixing, we can help you. If it's not, no charge. You can go ahead and pick it up. We also offer on-site and remote services. So contactless, whatever you need, we have you covered. Again, I'm Adam with AMS Computers. We provide technology at its best.